Hello, I'm glad to have you join us on the 3-day weather forecast with Paul Ugbah. With the average position of the ITD at approximately 20 degrees north of latitude, the zone of active storms have shifted northwards towards these areas. And during the early hours of Friday, we saw a storm which traversed Maiduguri through Jigawa, Kano, and also Katsina and affected these areas, gave rains to these areas. We expect that having affected these areas much earlier, we expect that the storm will hit the western parts of the north much later in the day. Light rains are also expected around the central states, while other parts of the country are expected to be cloudy. For our temperature forecast, we expect values to range between 22 degrees Celsius to 34 degrees Celsius during the day and 18 degrees Celsius to about 26 degrees Celsius at night. Towards the southern parts of the country, we expect to see daytime highs range between 29 degrees Celsius to about 32 degrees Celsius, and night temperatures about 20 to 24 degrees Celsius. By Saturday, we also expect thunderstorms to affect the northeastern parts of the country, partly cloudy in other places, with prospects for thunderstorms also around Sokoto areas and also around Niger State. We expect cloudy conditions to prevail over most of the southern parts of the country because of the effect of the little dry season over the south. For our temperature forecast on this day, the highest value of 34 degrees Celsius is still expected over Adamawa State, while Jos is expected to have the lowest temperature of 23 degrees Celsius in the north. The southern parts of the country are expected to still experience daytime highs between the range of 29 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius and night temperatures of 20 to 24 degrees Celsius. By Sunday, there are prospects for thunderstorms only around the zone of active thunderstorms stretching from the northeast towards the northwestern parts of the country. As we move towards the central parts of the country, we expect to see partly cloudy and cloudy conditions. However, there are slim chances of having some rains over places around the FCT, Abuja, and also in Kogi State. The southern parts of the country are expected to be cloudy. For our temperature forecast on this day, we still expect values to range between 23 degrees Celsius to 34 degrees Celsius over the northern parts of the country, while in the south, we also still expect values during the day to range between 30 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius and night temperatures of 20 to 24 degrees Celsius. This is where we'll conclude our 3-day weather forecast. Thanks for watching and do have a splendid weekend.